What's your ideal height for a foreign partner? 5'5", 5'8", 6 feet, or 6'5"? Which type of man would you love to have? The funny guy, the shy and sweet one, the romantic lover, the protective alpha, or the bad boy? How do you like your man? The talkative type, the quiet type, the serious type, or the one who gossips like your girlfriends? Okay lang, be? Ano lang, kahit 2 minutes lang or 3? Or kaming duwa? Super dali man lang, promise. May pagpipilian man ang mga questions ko. Okay lang. Okay lang, be. Ano lang, super dali, promise. Okay lang, kaming duwa. Kaming duwa para di ka masabag. She's very shy. What are your names and ages?
I'm Azumi and I'm 19 years old. I am Helena and I'm 21 years old.
What's your ideal height for a foreign partner? 5'5", 5'8", 6 feet, or 6'5"?
6 feet. Yeah, same as her.
What are your heights?
5'5". I think I'm 5'6". 5'6". Yeah, because I'm much taller than her.
She's taller. Okay, so you both prefer someone who's really taller than you, right?
Yes. Yeah.
You don't want someone who's shorter, no?
No. We prefer that.
Okay. So, okay. Now, what's your ideal body type for a man? Skinny, athletic, very muscular, or chubby?
Maybe athletic. I'm good in the skinny.
Okay, skinny and athletic.
Korean. Yeah, Korean.
Korean body type.
Yes.
But there are also Korean who was like muscular.
I'm not into that.
So she likes skinny. Okay. Now how about this one? I want you to be very honest, okay? Which type of man would you love to have? The funny guy, the shy and sweet one, the romantic lover, the protective alpha, or the bad boy?
The romantic lover. All of the choices.
She will have all of them. Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
May we know why? Why all of them?
I think all the you mentioned, I think it's good for a man or for a guy.
How about you guys? So what type of women are you? Like, are you funny? What?
I'm introvert. To say.
Both introverts. Okay. Okay, good thing you accepted my right. Well, I just grabbed them, guys. I just grabbed them. Okay. Okay, next. How do you like your man? The talkative type, the quiet type, the serious type, or the one who gossips like your girlfriends?
For me, talkative and sometimes serious.
Okay.
Yes, same as her. I know, no. I preferred quiet and sometimes serious.
Quiet. Okay. Are you like quiet all the time or
Sometimes. No. Not all the time.
are you friends or best friends like what?
Friends.
Okay, how long have you been friends?
No, it's been a year since the last subject, I guess.
Okay, since last year up to now. Okay, so you definitely know her. Okay, next, if a foreigner smiles at you on the street, how would you react?
Smile back. Same. Same as her.
Smile back. Okay. Both in college, right? What are you studying, Be?
Right now, currently taking financial management.
Right now, are you thinking to shifting to another course?
No, I don't think so.
Okay. How about you, Be? What's your course?
I'm also a financial manager, but I am third year. She's second year.
Are you both singles, Be, or do you have boyfriends?
I have boyfriend. I am single
How long have you been single?
since birth.
Since birth. Hi. Be, excuse me. Be, pwede ka ma-interview? Nag-vlog kami. Ano lang, 5 questions lang ata. Okay lang? Ano lang? Ano, Be? YouTube about, like, for example, your preferences in a guy. Grabe dito, Be. May we know what's your name and how old are you?
I'm Lynn and I'm 20 years old.
How are you tonight, Lynn?
Kind of hungry.
You're hungry. Okay, well, after this, maybe you can eat dinner, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So, here's the first question. What is your ideal height for a foreign partner? 5'5", 5'8", 6 feet, or 6'5"?
5'8". I want much taller than me. So I guess it's 5'8".
How tall are you?
I think I'm only 5 flat.
5 flat. Let me see because I am 4'11", guys. Let's see. The same height or I don't know. You're gonna be the judge. So you said 5 flat, right? 5 feet. Okay, I am 4'11", so maybe you can fit. Harap ka lang di sa camera din yan. Okay. How about this one? What's your ideal body type for a man? Skinny, athletic, very muscular, or chubby?
I think athletic type. Not too much skinny and not too muscular.
Be honest, which type of man would you love to have? The funny guy, the shy and sweet one, the romantic lover, the protective alpha, or the bad boy?
I think the protective alpha because I want someone who is protective of me and yeah. Then like an alpha, like not so dominant but really wait no.
The protective one.
Yeah.
Okay. How do you like your man? The talkative type, the quiet type, the serious type, or the one who gossips like your girlfriends?
I think the one who gossips like my girlfriend.
May we know why?
Because I'm also a talkative girl, so I want also someone that can that have the same vibes with me.
I thought you're going to say because you're also gossip. You also like to gossip. Okay, you're talkative.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. If a foreigner smiles at you on the street, how would you react?
It depends. Um, I think if his expression is kind, maybe um I will be happy and happy to be his or her. I mean his friend. But if it's kinda off vibe, so I think I will not entertain him.
Okay, off. Okay, would you smile back?
Yeah.
What advice would you give to foreigners who want to date a Filipina who is the date to marry type?
I think he should first know the girl better and then also adapt to the culture in the Philippines because not all Filipinos are easy to get. So we are looking for some traditional style of courting some girls. So
Like, for example,
um going to the house of the girl to meet her parents, and then like going on a date, church date rather.
are you someone like that too?
Yeah.
Okay, you are 20 years old. Are you single or do you have a boyfriend?
I'm single.
How long have you been single?
20 years.
Also, no boyfriend since birth.
Yeah.
Okay. It's very loud here, guys. I couldn't even hear her very. Okay, so no boyfriend since birth. Why is that? Are you picky?
Not, I don't think so. I'm just, I think, um, mm, my parents are strict and study first.
Sorry, what?
Study first.
Study first. Okay. What are you studying?
I'm taking Bachelor of Science in Accountancy.
And what year are you now?
I'm fourth year.
Oh my god. Ay, excuse me, Belle. May pwede ka ma-interview. Nag-vlog kami. What is your name and how old are you?
Hi, I'm Belle and I'm 19 years old.
How are you, Belle?
I'm good today.
You have a very beautiful name, Belle.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. So, Belle, here's the first question. What's your ideal height for a foreign partner? 5'5", 5'8", 6 feet, or 6'5"?
6 feet. Yeah. Because I love taller taller man. Because wait lang, kinakabahan ako.
You love someone who's taller.
Yeah.
How tall are you?
I'm 5'3". 5'3". Yes.
6 feet is very tall.
Yeah. And it's very appealing to me.
Okay. How about this one? What's your ideal body type for a man? Skinny, athletic, very muscular, or chubby?
It's either athletic or muscular. Um, because it's very attractive for me, especially here, and you can tell that they are very disciplined when it comes to body and in their health also, and of course, I would love to uh, adapt their healthy lifestyle that will help me to become healthy and strong body pa.
I want you to be very honest, okay? Which type of man would you love to have? The funny guy, the shy and sweet one, the romantic lover, the protective alpha, or the bad boy?
I would say the funny guy, because the funny guy is they will help you to lift up your mood, especially when you're feeling down or you're not in the mood to uh, and your responsibility in life. And of course, the funny guy will help you to become happy, and they will also lighten your mood that will makes you happy.
Are you also a funny person?
Oh, not really, but when you get to know me, of course, I can be.
I love that. Okay, how do you like your man? The talkative type, the quiet type, the serious type, or the one who gossips like your girlfriends?
The last part, the one that will gossip like girlfriends, because you know, girl love to gossip, when, especially when the issue, uh, especially if the issue or the topic would, I mean, it's would interesting. I mean, if it's interesting for you, and of course, that would be a funny talk, I guess.
You're the second person that we interviewed tonight, and then the same thing, she also prefers someone who likes to gossip. What advice would you give to foreigners who want to date a Filipina who is the date to marry type?
Oh, what advice I could give in a foreigner po?
Yeah, advice.
Yeah. I would like to say that uh, find a Filipina girl that will take care of you when it comes to date to marry, because Filipina girl they are very caring and uh, uh, good when it comes to cooking, and you know, I know guy would love eating, especially if you know, big stomach. And just uh just find a girl that a caring person and that will love you through ups and downs, that will help you to become a better person. And I know a lot of Filipina girl have that kind of attitude.
Well, anyway, you are 19 years old, in college. What are you studying, Be?
I'm studying tourism management.
Tourism. Beautiful. Are you single? Like, do you have a boyfriend? What?
Oh, I'm single.
How long have you been single?
For like a year, 1 year. Yeah.
Okay. Well, anyway, thank you so much. We really appreciate your time, Be. She said that she's very shy. How do you say that? Yeah, but she agreed for the interview. Can we interview you for members video?
Yeah, sure.
Okay, so we're gonna interview her, guys, after this interview. See you on the members video. Hi, everyone. Hopefully, we earned your subscription, and also, if you want extra videos, please consider becoming a YouTube or Patreon members. Thank you for watching, and take care, everyone. Bye bye.